Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Rashid's here with me to explore a little bit more about biomes today. Did you know that all of the plants and animals in the grassland biome need each other? Isn't that cool? It comes down to their habitats. What is a habitat? Well, a habitat is a place in nature. It's smaller than a biome. Think of it as a home. Plants live in habitats. Animals live in habitats too. Some animals make homes in habitats. Living and non-living things are in habitats. Rocks, are they alive? No, but they're part of habitats. Water is not alive, but that's in habitats. Habitats are the homes inside of the biomes where animals have their shelter, food, and everything else they need. So let's take a little closer look at the grasslands biomes and the habitats and animals inside. Look at the animals in this picture. This is one kind of grassland. Grassland biomes are covered with grass, shrubs, and a few trees. Most types of trees cannot grow in grassland biomes because there's not enough rain. It's pretty dry. Natural fires that occur in grasslands kill trees, but they do not kill the grass. Guys, what do you think starts fires in the grassland? Not people, lightning. That's right. Large, flat, open spaces with lots of grass, those storms come and the lightning sets the grass on fire. But don't worry about the animals. They know exactly where to hide, and it actually helps the prairie and the grassland stay healthy. In our country, our grassland is called the prairie. Prairies, plains, and meadows are temperate grassland biomes that only get between 10 to 20 inches of rain a year. They support hundreds of kinds of insects, birds, and animals. Here's a meadow and prairie. But this isn't the only kind of grassland, guys. There's also the savanna. The tropical grassland biome is called the savanna. It is hot and dry for more than half the year. During the dry season, the grass turns brown and dies. Sometimes fires burn the grass. When it rains, its deep roots sprout again and the grass grows tall. How about the animals of the grasslands? Some of the largest animals in the world live in the savanna. Herbivores such as elephants, giraffes, and wildebeests feed on grasses, small shrubs, and trees. Wait a second. Did you hear that word, herbivore? That's an animal that eats only plants. Rashid, are lions herbivores? What do you guys think? No. If an animal eats mostly meat, they're called a carnivore. And if they eat both, they're called an omnivore. 3 words, 3 different kinds of meals. So guys, I gave you some really fun ways to explore this more today. Some neat videos and activities that can help you learn more about the grasslands biome. Before I go today, we need to do 2 other things. First of all, I want to quickly tell you a little more about our snap words this week. Guys, this week with our snap words, the name of the game is Don't Let You in the Room. Why do I say that? Well, look at these words. What do they all have? They all have an O. And guess what? All 4 of those O's are sounding like U's. Keep you out of the room. Uh. They all sound like you, but they're all actually an O. Not following the rules, that's why they're snap words. Here's a couple hints for remembering each set of words. If you can remember that other starts with O, the rest is pretty easy. TH digraph, ER ending, both things we know really well. Then another is just an easy beginning to other. That's an easy way to remember those two. Key is, remember that other starts with an O. For none and nothing, there's not a whole lot you can do except practice, practice, practice this tricky, tricky word. Remember, even though it sounds like N-U-N, it's not. It's an O. And what's this E doing here? Snap words can be really frustrating because they don't follow the rules, but with practice, you'll get it. This one is actually much easier to remember. One thing that I usually tell kids is, think of nothing as no thing. 2 words that you already know. So good luck with your snap words this week, guys. I'm excited that we're finally learning lots of new ones. Last, today we're doing a twist on addition. You guys have become such professionals at adding and subtracting. Today is one last twist. I have 3 of my favorite things on this board: blueberries, raspberries, and chocolates. Yum. Now, to add all 3 of these together, I could just get out my fingers and start counting them up, especially if there's a picture. But I want you guys to really think deeper than that. We're getting really good at thinking about things in groups of 10. When you look at these 3 groups, do you see 2 groups that could come together to make 10? I do. Check out the blueberries and the chocolates. We know that 6 and 4 make 10. So, if I put those together, look, I really have 10 and 5. 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15, the same as 10 and 5. Making 10 always helps. But what if the groups don't easily make 10? Look at this board. I have 6 stars, 9 circles, and 5 triangles. Which of these 3 numbers could I most easily turn into 10? I think the 9. It's only 1 away. So if I take the 9 and just pull 1 star away so that I have 10, let's see what happens. My brain loves these kind of problems. Now I have 10 here, 9 and 1. I have 5 stars left and 5 triangles. We know that 5 plus 5 is 10. So I really have 10 and 10. 6 plus 9 plus 5 is 20, the same as 10 plus 10. Guys, your practice today, not all the problems look exactly like that, and some of them are really going to make you think. But we want to get better and better at thinking about numbers past just counting up on our fingers. Think of them in groups as much as you can, especially in groups of 10, okay? I hope you have a great day today, and I can't wait to see some of you on Zoom. And I'm praying for you. Love you guys. Bye.